Buongiorno and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. It's a beautiful summer Sunday and we're making Lisa's summer sauce. This is one of my favorite sauces that I make. In assoluto, as we say in Italian. There are literally 4 ingredients and it just captures the freshness of summer. I take the largest saute pan I have and I cover the bottom of it with extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to say it's about 6 to 7 tablespoons. We're going to be generous with our olive oil in this dish. And then we're going to take a good 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and I cut them lengthwise, as you see, and we're going to put them in the pan. And we are not going to let them saute by themselves in this dish. We're actually going to saute them with the cut grape tomatoes. So I have 2 pounds of grape tomatoes to 1 pound of spaghetti or any other cut of pasta that you might like. So 4 ingredients. We have garlic, tomatoes, spaghetti, and fresh basil. That's it. So we're gonna put all of our sliced tomatoes right here in with the spicchi. A spicchi is a long slice of garlic or a long slice of tomato. Anything you slice in, for example, matchstick shape, we call spicco, and spicchi if it's plural. So here we go. I'm going to, while these begin to saute, I'm going to just cut the rest of the tomatoes. This sauce is perfect in July or August when the grape tomatoes are at their peak. They're sweet, they're juicy, and what's going to happen is we're going to allow this to caramelize and cook down, and it's going to form a delicious summer sauce. So now look at how those beautiful summer grape tomatoes are bubbling and popping, and we're going to let these cook for a good 20 minutes. Let them cook down. So delicious and sweet. You don't need to add anything to this sauce. It's just, all the ingredients are just natural goodness. So I like to let the tomatoes cook down and begin to caramelize before I add my tomato paste. The tomato paste is just going to give it a little more texture, a little more body, since we're using only fresh tomatoes in this sauce. Then we're going to add, after the tomato concentrato, the tomato paste from Italy, we're going to add salt, pepper, if you'd like, a few little crushed red pepper flakes, and then of course, the pièce de résistance, fresh basil. And that's all it is. We put this on spaghetti. It's the most wonderful, fresh summer dinner. Okay, so the tomatoes are cooking down. Beautiful our tomatoes are. You see all of that olive oil and the juice from the fresh tomato? Absolutely scrumptious. But we want a little more texture, a little more thickness. So here I have my, as you know, love my pomodoro concentrato from Italy. I use a variety of marks, of brands. This is Alessi. The other day I used Cento and showed you that. I love Muti. When I did my San Marzano demonstration for you, I showed you all of those brands for the San Marzano canned tomatoes from Italy as well. So these are just wonderful. The Italian paste I love so much because it's concentrated. It's very thick. So I've put 4.5 tablespoons of the concentrato di pomodoro in here, and I'm going to just mix that in. And look at that, it just gives it a beautiful texture to the sauce. So it's going to adhere very well, changes the color a little bit from a light golden to a darker golden. And it's just going to adhere really, really well to your pasta. And that's what we want. So as this cooks down, we're going to take about a teaspoon of Sicilian sea salt, yum, about a half a teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper in my little handy dish from Italy. And then I like spicy. So, you know, I am half Sicilian. So we have some crushed red pepper here. Perfect. Not too much, just a little bit. Now, the difference in this fresh summer sauce from some of the other ones I make is when I invented this just really by chance because I had all these tomatoes that I wanted to use. I decided to put my basil right in with the tomatoes and let it cook. It gives the most glorious taste, very different from adding the basil at the end. So once again, I just, I like to be generous because I love basil. I just take my basil from my garden, but from your farmer's market is wonderful too, and I cut it, just tear it with my fingers, and I'm gonna let this cook down, and it gives the most wonderful, earthy, naturally sweet taste, no sugar in this, you notice, to the sauce. Absolutely perfect. Let's add some more basil. Then we're just gonna let this cook maybe 10 to 15 minutes while we make our spaghetti or whatever kind of pasta you like, and toss it. You can have it with a little bit of Parmigiano, a little bit of Pecorino. I like it just plain to taste the goodness of these wonderful summer tomatoes. Look at that. Bellissimo. Che colore. Look at the color, the richness. Again, we need smell-o-vision. Out of this world. Okay, let's make our pasta. Allora, here we are. We have our delicious summer sauce all cooked, and we cooked here's our boiling spaghetti that I just took off the stove. In it goes. We'll toss and serve. If you'd like a little cheese, go ahead. I like it just plain without because the tastes are so perfect. This will become your favorite go-to summer dish. 5 ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, garlic, basil, cherry tomatoes, spaghetti, and then your seasonings. That's it. If you don't care for spaghetti, any cut of pasta that you would like. All right. Let's see how this goes. Beautifully. Look at that. Delicious sauce. 2 pounds of cherry tomatoes to 1 pound of pasta. It's the perfect coverage. You have just enough. Fresh garlic. Look at that beautiful fresh basil. Oh, summer at its best. And I am a summer girl. So enjoy. Buon appetito. Let's taste them. Going to be glorious. Some of those tomatoes. So good. You see how the tomatoes have just caramelized? They've cooked down. All the natural juices came out. We added the Italian tomato paste, which just gave it a beautiful texture, just enough thickness. Perfetto. The sweetness of the tomato with that wonderful taste of the basil that tops it off. You're gonna be in heaven. Italian spaghetti heaven. Buon appetito. Tutti a tavola. Ciao ciao.